Hey everyone, if you're learning programming and you always feel confused before writing code, this video is for you. Today I'll show you how to properly plan a program before you start coding. Trust me, if you follow this method, coding becomes much easier. Most beginners do one mistake. They open the editor and start typing code immediately. After some time, errors everywhere, cold sweat smile. They don't know what went wrong. That's why planning before coding is very important. This is not a single video. I'm making this as a step-by-step series, so you can understand everything clearly. In this series we will talk about how to understand a programming problem, how to set a clear goal, how to break a problem into small parts, what is pseudocode, how flowcharts work, and finally, how to start coding with confidence. Each step will be explained in a separate short video, very simply. So in this first video, I just wanted to explain what we are going to learn in this series. From the next video we will start with step 1, understanding the problem. And trust me, this step alone can change the way you write programs. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next part. In the next video we'll start with step 1, understand the problem. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.